Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tostitos spinach dip. This easy method will have you enjoying a delicious snack in no time. First, gather your simple ingredients: 1 10-ounce package of frozen spinach, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 packet of dry vegetable soup mix. Remember to thaw and thoroughly squeeze out all excess water from the spinach. This is a crucial step for a creamy dip. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your well-drained, thawed spinach with 1 cup of creamy sour cream. Next, add 1 cup of rich mayonnaise and the entire packet of dry vegetable soup mix. Using a sturdy spoon or spatula, stir everything together until all the ingredients are completely incorporated and the dip looks smooth and uniform. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Once your dip is perfectly mixed, it's time for the magic to happen in the refrigerator. Cover your bowl tightly with plastic wrap or an airtight lid. Place it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling period is essential as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve your delightful, chilled dip with crispy Tostitos tortilla chips or a colorful array of fresh vegetables. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your spinach dip even further. For an extra layer of savory goodness, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder or onion powder to the mix. For the absolute best flavor, prepare your dip a full day in advance. This gives the ingredients ample time to truly harmonize. Finally, a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives makes for a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.